Hello! Welcome to another travel vlog. So this time, the family is going to Boracay. This is a 3-part series. So sit back and let us take you to Boracay. So here are the travel requirements. So tatlo lang naman. So first, of course, if you're coming from Manila, a flight ticket from Manila to Calibo or Caticlan. You also have to register for a QR code if you're going to Boracay, which needs a vac certificate, and a government-issued ID, a confirmed hotel voucher, and of course, a round-trip transfers. Pwede rin kasing you can get your own transfers, mag-DIY ka na lang. But in our case kasi we're many, so we decided to get transfer services. So it's Saturday today, and from Calibo, it will take us around an hour and a half to go to Caticlan. So, at your left, diba, yun yung Caticlan Airport. Ito naman yung mga fees that we've already settled. Island Star people will be there to assist us on our transfers.
Tulungan na naman kasi bagay, mama.
Okay. So there, hindi na kami pumila. So we just presented all the requirements kasi may mga senior kaming kasama and my kids also. And then we were escorted to the loading dock. Babay ka naman, Gab. So, eto na yung boat ride namin, going to Cagban Port in the island of Boracay. This will be mga 20 to 25 minutes, I think. So, see you there! Yon, we've arrived Cagban Port. So, nasa main island na tayo ng Boracay. So, please like and subscribe bago ko makalimutan. But anyway, so here we are. Lahat kami pababa na at the Cagban Port. So, may sumundo pa rin sa amin from Island Star. Meron isang malaking multi-cab that can fit 15 people. So, from Cagban Port, syempre, we're going to our hotel, which is the Muse Hotel, Boracay. Medyo mahaba. So, coming from Cagban Port, Station 3, 2, and finally, nandito na kami sa Muse. The Muse Hotel, Boracay. It's situated at the Station 1. It's a beachfront hotel. We checked in na. May welcome drinks for everyone. So we serve 6 rooms here. Ang binigay ni Muse Hotel is 2 rooms on each floor. Magro-room tour tayo for 2 types of room kasi majority naman that we booked is a deluxe hotel type. Hotel room type. So this one is a deluxe room. Sa website nila, it's called Clio. Okay, so what we did, kasi the whole family has a lot to celebrate, mga milestones. So we've requested na baka pwedeng mag-set up. So here, yung eldest ko kasi, it's his birthday month. And then yung youngest ko naman, graduated from, or moving up niya from junior high to senior high. So the room has 2 double beds, meron ding cabinet, yung washroom nila with toiletries din. There's a small table. And meron ding veranda behind the curtains, if you saw it earlier. So now we're going to move to another room. It's called Métis Room. At their website, they call it the Premier Sea View Room. Oh, how nice, diba? Ang laki niya. I'm not sure how many square meter, but I already love the color. Kasi purple rin ang aking favorite color. And, tada! Eto na. Our own. Pwede na rin beachfront, although nasa roof deck tayo, diba? So I think sa floor na to, there are 5 rooms which has exclusive access to the jacuzzi. So yung jacuzzi is only allowed for use by those that's checked in this floor. So, but when we checked in, parang 2 rooms lang yung occupied eh. So, meaning, 2 rooms lang kaming mag-share for the 2 jacuzzi. Oh my gosh. And this is the washroom. Let's see first when it's closed. Kasi ang ganda ng door. There you go. Opening the washroom now. So there's the sink, blower, toiletries, towel, tada, toilet, door, and I'm gonna close this for a while so that you can see there's bathtub there. So we have a cabinet, 2 bathrobe, may coffee and tea maker, ano pa ba? There's a ref, there's a vault. Ito naman, the bed. Of course, you saw it earlier na may painting, lampshades. Ito ay our welcome drinks earlier, and really very spacious room here. So, as mentioned kanina, nasa 3rd floor tayo. We're sharing the roof deck with 4 other rooms, but currently isa lang ang occupied. Grabe, ayun na yung beach. The beach is calling. And I'm so excited for the sunset. How it would look like pag nandito kami sa taas. Disclaimer lang, this is not a sponsored post, but we still would like to thank Leia of the Muse for all the things that you did for us. Salamat! And also to the welcoming front desk, housekeeping, and Nalka Resto team. First day, that's where we're staying. I can't really see well, but we're staying at the Muse. We're at Beachfront Hotel, Station1. Those are my kids and hubby. Look how nice the beach is. Later we'll try and do the Parawsailing here. Ang ganda talaga ng location ng The Muse. Sobra paglabas mo, beachfront na talaga agad. You can see on our pictures and snapshots. Dinner time! Dinner time! Nalka Restaurant. It's a seafood restaurant here at the Muse. Dinner is served. So when in Nalka, you should order daw their seafood platter. Here. Good morning! Meron ding simple na buffet breakfast included in the package. And you also have the option to choose where you wanna sit. Meron din kasing magandang portion sa may veranda, so you'd have the beach view for yourself if you go to breakfast early. So we didn't waste time. After breakfast, go agad sa beachfront. And sa roof deck naman, so nandito yung ating mga seniors, ang nanay at si mama, and of course the youngest, si Kael. The kids and the others went ahead to do island activities. Na sa second part of this Boracay series ko na lang i-share. Alright? So, after this, baba tayo sa beachfront. Dito natin hintayin yung sunset. As you can see, ang daming Paraw sails here and dami rin tao. So, this is just a sneak peek. Magkakaroon ako ng separate vlog all for the sunsets that we've experienced while in Boracay. This is how clear the waters of Boracay. It's July and we're so lucky not to have rains today because the sun is really shining. It's around 2 in the afternoon. Oh my gosh, even if you swim, malamig yung waters. So, masarap. Pero of course, ang kulay mo na rin. Definitely you'll get dark, but then again, it's all worth it. How beautiful the waters. Ah, Boracay! So we're checking out now. This is our 4th day and we're leaving Station1, Boracay. Bye! So we're leaving Cagban Port. We're on our way to our ferry ride that will bring us to Caticlan. And then there's a van that's waiting for us to take us naman to Calibo. O, diba? After 4 days, ang kulay namin, tsokolate. Lahat morena. Anyways, it's all worth it. It was a fun Boracay trip for us all. Thanks for watching! If you've reached the end of the video, I will leave details at the description box for more travel info if you're planning to go to Boracay. And pa-subscribe naman please. Isama nyo na rin yung hitting the like and share button. Have a sweet life everyone and watch out for my other vlogs of this Boracay series. Bye! And be kind always!